Hello again, YouTube, and welcome back to Every Tech Time. So, so yeah, um, as you know, it's probably been like a month since I made my last recording, but I don't, I don't know what the hell has been happening because, like, I guess I've just been caught up on other things that I haven't had time to do this. And yeah, I know I keep saying that, but but trust me, I always try to find time to do this stuff. So today we will do a video tutorial on how to create a JavaScript file in Notepad++. So yeah, this is what we're using again is Notepad++. So so I will eventually return to making tutorials on Microsoft Visual Studio, but but I haven't been able to use it very properly lately because apparently Visual Studio is not free software and you have to pay for it. My trial expired apparently, but 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 maybe eventually I'll return to making those tutorials. I haven't made those in quite a while, to be honest. But yeah. Also, I use Visual Studio just for programming languages, not markup languages like HTML or JavaScript or CSS. So yeah, let's get started. Now this is just an example of a JavaScript file. An example of it, so yeah. You know, you don't have to put the exact same things as I'm gonna put in, but that's your decision. So we're gonna start with script type equals text/JavaScript. And for this you have to type what I do. Alright, now enter and type this as well. Enter again. Now we're gonna put in, and now this is just an example, so you don't have to put this specific stuff in, but this is what I'm doing in this in this tutorial. Put in new bloodhound, just a sample. And now put your bracket right there, and then a comma. And now press tab. And now we're going to put in query tokenizer, colon, bloodhound, comma, tokenizers dot whitespace, comma. Wait, no, that's a period, not a comma. Huh. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, that's a comma. Now press enter and type in remote, colon, and space, bracket. Oh, I know this is supposed to be a space right there. Press enter and press tab, URL, colon, and now again, you don't have to type this. Just this is just my exampling. And now I'm gonna press caps lock and type query. Press enter and type filter, colon, function, space, parentheses, DLS, space, bracket, Now press enter and type return bracket and press enter again. And now this time, instead of pressing tab, we're gonna press the space bar 2 times. So go forward 2 spaces. And then type vendor colon dl dot vendor name comma. Now this is also an example, so say you do not have to type everything I type, but if you want to, then go ahead. There you go. Now press enter, go back 2 spaces, put your bracket and a semicolon. Press enter and press enter again and put another bracket, then parentheses and another semicolon. Press enter twice, go back a tab and then put a bracket and right here bracket parenthesis semicolon. Press enter twice, and now we're going to type dls.initialize, initialize. Two parentheses and a semicolon. Press enter twice, and then go forward a tab, $sign parenthesis TTS2 type ahead parenthesis null comma bracket, press enter and then go forward a tab, name colon and then press enter. Display key is value min length is NAS comma source dls.tt adapter and then templates space bracket. Now press enter and then go forward a tab. Now type suggestion, and then this is going to be a long line, so just bear with me as I type. Whoops. Alright, so all that I just typed, you can type this if you want to, but again, this is also an example of mine, so you don't have to if you don't want to, but if you want to follow this tutorial, then yeah, that's what you type. The thing I just typed not too long ago. Alright, so press enter and go back a tab, then put a bracket there, press enter and add 2 slashes, type engine colon Hogan. Press enter and then add a bracket, a parenthesis and a semicolon. Then press tab 4 times, or 3 times as it just did that. Actually 4 times. It's a little bit far, tiny bit far from Hogan, but you probably get the gist. And then add a star and a slash. Press enter 2 times. Go back 2 spaces and then type /script to end the code. Alright, so this is the so this is an example of a JavaScript file that I just made. And now to make it into a JavaScript file, you go up to File and then click Save As, or you can press Ctrl Alt S. But for this, I'm gonna do Save As, and then you can save this wherever you want to. But for this tutorial, I'm gonna choose Documents. And then I'm gonna call it, and I'm just gonna call it example.js. And now the type of file you'd want to save it as is a JavaScript file, a JS file, and then there you go. Example.js, file type, JavaScript file. And voila, here you go, your very own JavaScript file. Alright, so that is a tutorial on how to create JavaScript files in Notepad++. So if this tutorial was helpful for you, then you can rate, comment, and subscribe for more tech videos like this one. That said, this is Every Tech Time, and I'll see you later.